Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I want to briefly explain to you guys that this video was the video I made 3 years ago. But yes guys, I have to post it. I was really busy and I had a lot of old videos. I just bumped into it now. I'm like, oh, let me post this video. So sit down, relax and watch this beautiful vlog. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, it has really been a long time. Anyway,
buying some stuff.
we are buying some stuff. Anyway guys, we came to Best Buy to buy tablets for my daughter and to get a phone for myself.
Yay!
So guys, guess the phone we are getting today. I need to get a good phone for myself
because you're working so hard for it.
You see, my friend said I'm working so hard for it. Look at it. So we are getting.
You're working so hard for it, so you need to get a good phone, okay?
Okay, guys. So let's see what we can buy. We are just making inquiries.
You deserve a good phone, okay?
All right, guys. So I've not used iPhone before, but today I've decided to get myself iPhone 14 Pro Max. So guys, let's see how it goes. I'll carry you guys along, okay? So we are going home, guys. I'm back. Oh, I'm back. I bought the phone. I bought iPhone 14 Pro Max. Everything is in this bag. So here is the phone. Here is the phone. Yay! So they actually gave me a gift card of $200 from Best Buy for buying iPhone 14 Pro Max. Can you guys see that? Let me turn the camera.